Welcome back. In these next several lessons, we'll be doing exercises and I'll be showing you how to build a number of different parts. Some standard, some more unusual. In this lesson, we're going to learn how to build a corner bracket. I'll bring in a box primitive first. Now right-click and select Cube. For the cube side, we'll make it 5 units. Press Tab, Angle 0, Enter. Next, I'm going to apply a fillet. Activate the fillet command, select the edge to fillet, and let's enter the fillet radius, let's say 1 unit. Press Enter to accept. I'll select a few more edges also. Right-click and Enter to apply the fillets. I'm going to apply one more fillet to this edge. Activate the fillet command. Select the edge. Let's change the radius value 2 units. Press Enter to accept, and right-click and Enter to apply the fillet. Now let's apply a shell to our part. Let's go to the Solid tab, activate the Shell command, select our solid. Next, we select the faces to remove. Here's this first face, second face. It looks here like the fillet has 2 faces, but that's actually not the case. In other words, if I try to click on what appears to be the second face of this fillet, AutoCAD is going to select the face behind. So I only need to select one face here, and in this case, it'll select this face. Let's select another face. Right-click and Enter to accept. Let's enter an offset distance of 0.25 units. Press Enter to accept, and we'll just press Escape to exit the tool. Now let's create a hole with the Cylinder tool. Dynamic UCS is active. Let's make the radius of our cylinder 0.75 units. Press Enter. The length of the extrusion isn't important here, just as long as it goes through this wall. Lastly, let's apply the subtract operation. Select the solid, right-click to accept that selection, select the cylinder, and right-click to finish the selection and execute the subtraction. Let's take a realistic view now. Home tab, Realistic. And here is our bracket. This concludes our first exercise tutorial, and I will see you back in a moment where we will take up our next part.